So now let's talk about Amazon Inspector. So Amazon Inspector is a service that allows you to run automated security assessments on a couple of things. First of all, on EC2 instances. So you are going to be leveraging the Systems Manager agent on your EC2 instances, and Amazon Inspector is going to start to assess the security of that EC2 instance. It's going to analyze against unintended network accessibility and also analyze the running operating system for known vulnerabilities. This is done continuously. Then we have also an Amazon Inspector for your container images pushed to Amazon ECR, for example, your Docker images. So as your container images are being pushed to Amazon ECR, they will be analyzed by Amazon Inspector against known vulnerabilities. And we also have Amazon Inspector for Lambda functions. So Lambda functions, when they are deployed, will be analyzed again by Inspector for software vulnerabilities in the function code and the package dependencies. And this assessment happens as the functions are being deployed. So once Amazon Inspector is done doing its job, it can report its findings into the AWS Security Hub and also send findings and events of these findings into Amazon Event Bridge. This gives you one way to centrally see the vulnerabilities running on your infrastructure. And with Event Bridge, you can run some kind of automations. So what does Amazon Inspector evaluate? You have to remember, Inspector is only for your running EC2 instances, your container images on Amazon ECR, and your Lambda functions. And it's going to do a continuous scanning of the infrastructure only when needed. So it's going to look at a database of vulnerabilities, so CVE, for package vulnerability for EC2, ECR, and Lambda. And it's going to look at network reachability on Amazon EC2. And in case the database of CVE gets updated, then Amazon Inspector is going to automatically run again to make sure that all your infrastructure is tested one more time. Every time it will run, a risk score is going to be associated with all the vulnerabilities for prioritization. So that's it for Amazon Inspector. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture.